Got the 193 kg drive, we've got 193 kg drive, yep. C388W, yep, drive, yep. Got high heat, low heat, yep. There's AG Mat Auto Sense Technology, yep, 8 kg, yep, washing machine, we got, yep. Got Susi 8 kg, got Susi 8 kg Lando 100 washing machine, you got anyway, yep. Got this Inset NX 71 kg 1400 spin, yep. Another Inset you got anyway, Inset NX 91 kg 1400 spin, you got, yep. Got this new oven, there's Leisure oven you got anyway, yep. It's quite a new oven, eyes with Leisure. You got the Hopin washer dryer, you got the Hopin 7 kg integrated washing machine, you got that's the integrated washing machine you got anyway, yep. That integrated washing machine's empty anyway, yep. Susi 9 kg Lando 300 washing machine you got, yep. Rebecca 6 kg 1200 spin washing machine you got, that's 1200 spin you got anyway, yep. Bosch Class 7's dry, you got a Bosch Class 7's dry, yep. Got a Susi 7 kg Lando 100 dry, you got, yep. Got a Boon 91 kg 1400 spin washing machine you got, yep. Another thing that you got, another Boon 81 kg 1400 spin, yep. Another one you got anyway, yep. Got the Edge Drive 8 kg, yep. Inventor washing machine you got, yep. That's a washing machine you got. The Edge Drive 8 kg, yep. Inventor washing machine you got, yep. Samsung one, got Samsung EcoBubble 8.0 kg technology, yep, washing machine.
Look at the figure, 199,299. Currys make prices up. Yeah, they are, and all about price, all about price.
Plugged in, anyway, yep. This is off on here, yep. Another Samsung you got, yep, 8.0 kg, yep, EcoBubble, yep. Got the Siemens X card sub, yep. Siemens X card you got anyway, yep. Onto this one plugs in. Well, that one does anyway. Another Bosch Vario Perfect, yep, Bosch Vario Perfect, yep, washing machine. Well, that one plugs in as well, yep. Now this one plugs in as well. I've got the Bosch Vario Perfect Eco Science Drive, yep, washing machine. Bosch dry, you got the Bosch dry, you got, yep. 8 kg condenser drive, yep. Got Bosch Max 6 drive, yep. Bosch Max 6 you got, yep. Siemens Extra Class dry, you got, yep. Well, that one's switch on as well. And this one is switch on as well, yep. Siemens Extra Class washing machine and Siemens Extra Class dry. All that, so all that's on anyway, yep. Bosch Max 6 1400 spin washing machine, yep. Got the Hopin one, got Hopin S-Line Ultima, yep, washing machine, yep. Well, that one's switch on as well, it's Hopin on it, yep. Another Hopin, got, yep, 71 kg, yep, washing machine, got, yep. You got, yep, 71 kg, yep, Graviers. Another Hopin 91 kg washing machine. Another Hopin you got, yep, 91 kg A class washing machine, yep. Well, that's my favourite machine I ever get. It's the Hopping Experience one. I should get one of them machine there. Yep. And another first one as well. Yep. Well, that's one switch on as well. Yep. Yeah, that one switch on as well. Yep. Like a SM Ultimate as well. Another Hopping 71 kg 8 plus washing machine. Yep. Another Hopping you got. Yep. 71 kg Aquarius. Yep. Washing machine. The Bosch washing machine. Yep. Bosch Max 7. Very perfect washing machine. Yep. A Bosch. Go. Yep. A Bosch. Yep. Well, both machines will switch on as well. Yep. Everything's all plugged in anyway.
And it's as good as the Beko.
Probably
better than that Beko.
what they do, I don't know whether they make it more. The thing is, they're guaranteed for 3 years, they're guaranteed this for 1 year. Oh. Probably harder up on the shelf.
Yes.
That one switch on as well, and this one switch on as well. Yep.
Yeah, they've all got that at the bottom of it as well, and they just take it out and give it a wash every now and again.
Right, go start with these set. Nice full food drive. Yep.
Couple of months.
Oh, right.
And hit. Yep.
That's emptying at the top. Right, yes, no, I will have
Okay, fine, thank you. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, to the washer dryers now. The hot paints 86 kg Aquarius washer dryer. Yep. Still got old design in there. Yep. The Beko 8 kg 1200 spin washing machine. Yep, it's 1200 spin washing machine. Got. Yep. One's that switch on. Well, that one doesn't anyway. That one doesn't. We've still got this Hoover 8 kg 1500 spin dynamic next. Still got anyway. Yep. Oh, that one doesn't. Inset spin dry, you got inset spin dry. Yep. Got another got a blooming washer dry. You got the blooming washer dry. You got anyway. That's another washer dry you got anyway.
Okay. I can phone, can't I?
Give us a
I'll
call.
just check the sizes.
Check your sizes.
Got another blooming 71 kg washing machine. Got. Yep. Definitely the machine we got anyway. Yep.
Thank you.
Blooming 5 kg 1000 spin. Yep, that's 1000 spin. Got anyway. That's definitely lots of these circle door. It's definitely lots of these door anyway. Yep. The Siemens one, you got the Siemens one. Got. Yep. No, actually, that's a Bosch washer dryer. That's Bosch XL 7 wash and dry. That one is. Yep. The whole paint. 7 kg Aquarius WDL 754 wash dryer. Interset 8 kg dry. You got interset 8 kg dry. Yep. Fine heat. Yep. Blooming 8 kg dry. You got a blooming 1 kg dry. Yep. Beko dry. Beko condenser dry. You got. Yep. Snooze 7 kg Lando 100 dry. Yep. Hopping 7 kg Experience dry. Yep. White Knight 7 kg dry. Yep. Fine heat. Yep. Hot paint 7 kg Aquarius dry. Yep. Fine heat. Yep. Interset ID375 drive, yep. Fine heat, yep. I've got another blooming 81kg drive, yep, that's in B1, that one is. So that one's the triple A1, that one is the triple B1, that one is, yep. Oh, stuck at this blooming condenser centre drive here, yep. Possibly that's of this drive as well, yep. We've still got the Hoover one as well, still got the Hoover dyno dryer, that one is, but 9kg condenser dryer anyway. And got the Bosch K7's dry as well, the Bosch K7's dry anyway, but we have find these two machines there anyway, but love hot paints, 1kg washing machine, you have got, but and we've got these extra cross there as well, but again, doors a bit locked anyway, but Siemens extra cross over on this side over here, but next to the Bosch Vader Perfect, but yep.
They always know when I'm going to go past these, you see, everyone turns.
Well, that one doesn't switch on anyway.
I know, it's like that one too, isn't it?
Get some water out, some laundry, won't we?
No, you shouldn't, no. Yeah.
Oh, no, you're right.
Right.
2, 3.
Well, I better see this machine's here today, because better same this Blumberg LG and Samsung here, yep. Oh, of course the White Knight as well, yep.